it's Melissa. Happy Tuesday. I got a fun project for you today with a pack from the July bundle, which ends today. So if you haven't grabbed your July SVG and font bundle from So Fancy, grab it because it is going to be gone after today. So I'm going to show you how to make some printable magnets. These are super cute. This whole set here, obviously I just have them on the back of a cookie sheet, but this whole set, all these little cute little guys, the woodland animals, come with the July bundle, and they're super fun and super easy to use. I literally downloaded them, pulled them into Silhouette Studio, printed, and was done within like 10 minutes. So I'm going to show you kind of that process. First, let me just show you the July bundle. As I said, it is ending today. It is 80 designs, 9 fonts, all commercial use, under 20 bucks, and it's gone today. I threw the link up top, so if you're interested, grab it. This is the little set that we are going to use. So I downloaded it, and it came onto my computer. Let me show you, into my downloads. And the SVGs are there, the PNGs. You don't even need to trace if you have, if you're able to open SVGs in your program, whatever you're using, you don't need to trace the SVGs. So all you need to do, this may be a challenge, you can see, is just grab them and pull them into, yep, like I said, a challenge. Pull them right into Silhouette Studio or whatever program you're using. They can work on Cricut too. They can, any program that can use the SVGs. Okay, so then, obviously I've already done this part, but I just want to show you the process. So they're in Studio, and then I just go to send, and you can see there's no cut line on there right now. We don't have that bold red line, but if I have it selected and I just click cut edge, I get the line around there. If you wanted to cut this for like a paper piecing or a vinyl decal that you wanted to layer, you can click cut and it'll cut the individual pieces. But if you just want the edge for printable magnets or stickers or a printable heat transfer, a printable vinyl, you're just going to click cut edge. Okay, so I have this all set up in another workspace. They're all sized. They all already have the cut line. I just put cut edge on all of them. Registration marks, okay? So then, my printer's on the other side, and the print by Wi-Fi is not working. So I already pre-printed for us, but literally you just print directly from Studio. This is, as I said, magnet paper, okay? So I already did the one set. This is how it came out. Nice, clean cuts, as you can see. But this stuff is heavy, okay? So that's why I have the painter's tape on there. So I'm going to pull, ooh, my whole sheet is sticking to my thing. These are super fun. If you have kids or grandkids or I don't know, what you can use them on the refrigerator. They're fun. All right, so I'm going to pull you down so you can see this next step here. So you just are going to place your printed magnet sheet, and I threw the link to get some printable magnet sheet. You can get either the adhesive where you can print and then put it right on the magnet, or I like this kind better because it's one less step. It's printable part is already on the magnet. Okay, so now I'm just going to put a couple of pieces of tape on the edges there to keep this down because my mat is not super sticky, and like I said, this material is really heavy, so I don't want it moving at all while I am cutting, okay? All right, now, if you get your magnet, if you get the, what is this stuff, tape, a little bit too close to your registration mark, which this one may be, you may get an error, so just be mindful of that. There, okay. All right, so I need to plug this in, okay, and I'm going to just load this in. You can't see that. Let's go over here. I'm going to load this into my machine, okay, and the cut settings that I found to work the best on a Silhouette anyway are blade of 6, speed 1, force 33, and I'm actually going to do a double pass, which, well, I want to do a double pass. It's going to take a little bit longer. I'll see if I can speed it up a little bit. But what that does is it just ensures they get a solid cut through there, a full cut through there. Because like I said, this stuff's pretty thick, and you want to make sure that it cuts all the way through, okay? I wish I could do speedy on here. Unfortunately, I cannot. But while we're waiting for this to go, I just want to give you guys some other ideas for these. If you, the reason I like the set the way it is it comes in this way, and you can, you don't have to do any manipulating for turning on and off and relayering if you're doing different types of materials. It's all already set. So if you were going to do this on printable vinyl, you could, and you can just cut by color, and it would all be ready. This is a great set by Kelly Lawler. Like I said, July bundle. So let's see, that's cutting all the way through. I can see it's all the way through, but it's going to take us a few minutes. So I will be back up here, and we'll just chat for a few minutes about this bundle. I want you to see the whole process, though, because some people get intimidated when they see, oh, it came right from the site, and then now what, okay? So a couple common questions that we get about why something isn't importing into Silhouette Studio or whatever program you're using, Cricut Design Space, or if you're using the Brother software. Make sure that you are unzipping your files. No program is going to be able to open any type of file if it's still zipped, okay? So the large majority of the designs, cut files that you'll get from So Fancy are zipped because there's multiple formats. There's at a very minimum an SVG, a PNG, or a JPEG, okay? So you have at a minimum have 2 files. To deliver them at the same time, they have to go into a zip file. And in order to access them, you then just have to click or right-click and tell it to unzip, okay? And then you can pull them in. Depending on your program, you may have to do a file open and then navigate to that SVG or PNG. In Silhouette Studio, you can bulk import. If you're ever running into trouble, we have probably 20 or 30 different tutorials on the So Fancy site for everything from how to install fonts to how to unzip anything, to how to import in Cricut Design Space, how to import into Studio, how to import into the Brother Scan and Cut software. So we really have tried to give you guys what you need to get started when you have our files. Other questions that we get all the time are about our commercial use license. Everything on So Fancy comes with the commercial use license. Designs can be used on finished products or sold on finished products up to 500. No print on demand unless you have the enterprise license. Fonts, however, can be used to create digital products such as other designs that you then go ahead and sell. But digital, the SVGs cannot be. That has to be on a finished product, okay? All right, so this is just about getting done. I want you guys to see, once it finishes cutting, I always test it to make sure that it's cut all the way through. And I'll show you how I do that. All right, so before unloading it, lift up a corner and just make sure, yep, it's cut through. All right, so then you can unload and remove the excess material, and there you go. You have your whole set of little magnets. These are so cute. Like I said, this would make an adorable set of stickers, or if you're doing a woodland theme party or shower, or I don't know, but you could use them for cake toppers. You could, any way you want. Super fun. And this, yep, see, like that. There you go. All right, so like I said, now my kids are 10 and 7. They probably are too old for these, but maybe I'll send them to my little nieces. But they are magnetic, all right? They are probably not strong enough to stick on your car, at least not this magnet material. You can probably find something a little bit more heavy duty, but they're perfect for cookie sheets and refrigerators, all right? All right, guys, have a great day. Grab that July bundle before it expires at midnight Eastern. Every time we have a bundle expire, I get emails. Oh, one more day. Can you extend it? Can you make an exception? I can't. I have a deal with my designers, so it can only go a certain length of time. And tonight's is done at midnight. All right. All right. August bundle starts tomorrow, so be on the lookout for that. And always fun stuff going on So Fancy, right? All right, guys. Have a great day. I'll see you later.